In a lush, verdant jungle, not far from a crystal-clear stream, lived a small praying mantis named Mimi. Mimi was known throughout the jungle for her unusual grace and unparalleled patience. One day, as Mimi was perched on a leaf, she noticed a struggling butterfly, fluttering helplessly in a spider's web. Mimi felt a surge of sympathy, but she knew that she couldn't just break the web. Instead, she remained still and waited. As the sun began to set, a wise old owl named Orion flew by. Noticing Mimi's vigil, he asked, "Why do you remain so still, Mimi? The butterfly is trapped, and you could free it at any moment." Mimi replied, "I have learned, Orion, that patience often brings greater rewards than hasty actions. I will wait for the spider to leave or for the wind to blow the web away." Orion nodded thoughtfully, but Mimi's patience was tested when she noticed a small ant crawling towards the butterfly. The ant, too, was trapped in the web and seemed unable to free itself. Mimi watched as the ant struggled, her heart aching for the tiny creature. But Mimi held her ground, and as the sun dipped below the horizon, a gentle breeze swept through the jungle. The web shook, and the ant and the butterfly were both freed. Mimi felt a sense of satisfaction, knowing that her patience had been rewarded. The next day, Mimi found a beautiful, shimmering pearl on the same leaf where she had observed the butterfly. Orion, who had witnessed the entire event, flew back to Mimi and said, "Your patience, Mimi, has been rewarded. The pearl you found is a symbol of the wisdom you have shown. Be patient, my friend, for patience often brings the most precious rewards." From that day on, Mimi was even more revered in the jungle, and her wisdom was passed down from generation to generation. And whenever anyone in the jungle faced a difficult situation, they would remember Mimi's story and the power of patience. The moral of the story is, patience can often lead to greater rewards than hasty actions. Waiting and watching can bring wisdom and the most unexpected gifts. ****